Are you tired of feeling awkward and unsure of how to respond when someone says Danke to you? Have you ever found yourself replying with a simple Bitte and feeling like you missed an opportunity to connect with someone? In this video, I'll teach you how to respond to Danke properly, so get ready to ditch the Bitte and leave a lasting impression on those around you. If we haven't met yet, hallo und herzlich willkommen. Mein Name ist Salome and I'm a German teacher from Frankfurt. The channel Speak Fluent German is dedicated to helping German learners just like you to become confident and conversational. Through a variety of engaging and informative videos, you can improve your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation skills while also gaining tips and tricks for mastering German. If this sounds good to you, then make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly lessons. Alright, bist du bereit? Los geht's! So if someone says Danke to you, which means thank you, and you want to avoid using the same old Bitte all the time, there are a variety of options that I'm going to walk you through right now that you can use instead. First up, you can say the phrase Gern, geschehen. Repeat after me. Gern, geschehen. Gern geschehen is a German phrase that translates to you're welcome in English. The phrase consists of two words, gern and geschehen. Gern means gladly or with pleasure, while geschehen means happened or occurred. Together, the phrase can be translated as gladly happened, meaning that you're happy to have helped or done something for the other person. Gern geschehen. Next up, you can use the phrase Keine Ursache. Repeat after me. Keine Ursache. Keine Ursache is a German phrase that translates to no problem or you're welcome in English. The word keine means no or not any, while Ursache means cause or reason. Together, the phrase can be understood as no reason or no cause for concern or gratitude. So keine Ursache is considered a polite and friendly way to acknowledge the other person's gratitude and to express that there is no need for them to feel indebted to you. Another way to respond to Danke is the phrase nicht der Rede wert. This one is a bit longer, so repeat after me word for word. Nicht der Rede wert. Nicht der Rede wert. The phrase nicht der Rede wert translates to not worth mentioning in English. It consists of the negation nicht, the article der, the noun Rede, and the adjective wert. Together, they form a phrase that means that something is not significant enough to be discussed or mentioned. Nicht der Rede wert. Additionally, you can also say nichts zu danken. Repeat after me. Nichts zu danken. Nichts zu danken. Nichts zu danken translates to don't mention it or you're welcome. So nichts means nothing. Zu means to in this case, and danken means thank. So the phrase is literally saying nothing to thank. Nichts zu danken. You can also switch things up a little bit by saying ist doch selbstverständlich. Ist doch selbstverständlich. Ist doch selbstverständlich is a common response to Danke, which means it is obvious or it goes without saying. So selbstverständlich means of course, and doch is a modal particle in this case that is used to express contradiction or emphasis. So it can be used to contradict a negative statement or question or just simply add emphasis to a statement. In this case, it emphasizes that the action taken was expected and there is no need to thank the person for it. So for example, if someone holds the door open for you, you could respond with Danke and they might say ist doch selbstverständlich to indicate that holding the door open is a common courtesy. Alright, let's revise one more time together what we've learned today. If you want to respond to Danke without using Bitte, you can say Gern geschehen, keine Ursache, nicht der Rede wert, nichts zu danken, ist doch selbstverständlich. Now let me know in the comments below which ones you like using. I'm curious to know. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you'll never miss any of my weekly lessons. And if you're a beginner and you have found these phrases still a bit difficult for your level, you should definitely check out my free lesson below. It's a great place to get started with German, and don't worry, I'll make it really easy for you to understand. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!